As you can tell, Moonlit Moments is the title of this collection from our friends at Hunkydory. Now this is the topper collection, so we'll back up and let me show you everything that's in it. There are other pieces to this collection, as you would imagine, but let me just get close with this. Now there are 144 foil die cuts in here, and you also get the inspiration sheet, so that's always nice to have. But let me show you what these look like. Now you're going to get 2 of every single thing I'm showing you, and look at that gorgeous purple foiling. Isn't that nice? Now you're going to get in addition to 2 each of these, you're going to get foiled toppers, the cardstock. You can see the foiling there. And you're going to get 2 of everything. Now you're going to get 8 of these, and you're going to get 8 printed. So that's going to work nicely. Here is another set. This is called Tropical Delights. You've got Happy Birthday, you've got borders, you've got lots of nested frames also. And again, as always, you get the foiled cardstock, and you get the printed cardstock that matches. And here is another. This is called Magical Moments. And as you can see, flowers, swans, and the foiled cardstock and the printed cardstock. And the last sheet, well, actually not quite the last. Usually it is, but this time, this is called Wonderful Wings. And as you can see, everything flutters in one way or another. Here is the foiled cardstock, and here is the printed cardstock. Now this time, you get a bonus. You're going to get 18 foiled die cuts as a bonus. And again, so if you're counting 3, 6, 9, that's because you're going to get 2 sheets. So that's the 18. So all of this is making our first piece, which is the Moonlit Moments Topper Collection. Now, to coordinate with this, as I promised, there's also this Miri. Now this is in that gorgeous purple. There are 20 sheets. They are all the same color, and they are that regular cardstock. So the Miri is that super shiny piece, and it does a nice job of playing with the foiling, don't you think? Okay, so that is our second one. Then we have a 6x6 pad, and here is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you each of these. You're going to get 12 designs, and you do get 4 of each one. They are printed on one side, as you, well, no, I lied. They're double-sided. Okay. And as I said, you get 12 designs. You're going to get 4 of each, so that's going to give you the count of 48. So as you can see, kind of looks like there's gold on these, doesn't it? Well, you could almost make it look like gold, couldn't you? There we go. Very pretty, very rich, and as I said, it's called Moonlit Moments, and so lots of different elements. So flowers, hummingbirds, my favorite, butterflies, of course. So the backgrounds, the backs of these are a little plainer until I get to that one, and that's brighter. How pretty is that? Yes. So that is the collection there, and we also have some foiled acetate. Now let me show you this. And this is that same absolutely gorgeous purple color. And it's going to be, might be a little hard to see on this black background. So let me bring a white piece of paper in. So it is foiled the purple. Let's see what's on the back side. Aha, we have silver on the back side. So there are 4 designs. You get 4 of each one. So let me just bring each of them in onto the white so you can see. Isn't that pretty? Dragonflies, butterflies, all in there. And again, you can see that purple foiling. And we have this with the beautiful corners. That's nice. Lots of things you can do with those. And then there's another border. So very nicely done. So again, there's going to be 4 of each in this collection, and you're going to have a total of 16 sheets, okay, if you did your math. Now, we also have inserts. Now, the inserts, in fact, that's what I used to show that foiled acetate. Now this has a total of 36 sheets. These are also A4 size, and you're going to get 3 each of 12 designs. And I'm just going to quickly flip through the 12 designs. Now you might notice, and because these are designed to be the same imagery that you saw in the Topper collection, so you're going to see those same elements, but they are quite ghosted back. As you can see, it's almost like a piece of vellum was put on top of them, and the artwork did ghost back. Now some of them will have an all-over pattern. These are printed on a paper weight, and they are printed on one side like that. And we'll go here, another all-over pattern, in a green all-over pattern, and a purple. Okay, now lastly, we have the coordinated cardstock. They call it Adorable Scoreable, and there are 30 sheets. You get 10 colors, and I'll just fan them out here so that you can see, and you will get 3 of each one. And Hunkydory always does that to coordinate with their sets, and of course you can use it with the set or you can use it elsewhere. That works nicely. So the Adorable Scoreable, the inserts, the foiled acetate, the Miri, and the Topper set, and then also the 6x6 paper pad. All of this called Moonlit Moments, all from our friends at Hunkydory.